This how to 1 minute will show you how to show what game you are playing on Discord. So first of all, open the Discord app and click on user settings. Scroll down to the left hand side and click on game overlay and click on registered games, and here click on edit. Click on the drop down and from here select the game you are playing. Click on add game. Now go to activity privacy and from here make sure to enable the display current activity as a status message option. And the game is added successfully. So this is how we can show what game you are playing on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.